thank you for the beautiful performance. Good evening to all, respected director sir, course directors, faculties and fellow trainees. First of all, I on behalf of Arunachal Forest would like to thank you for making us part of this beautiful occasion. Now, I will be providing a short description about the song on which the female trainees of Arunachal Forester batch would be performing a traditional dance. This Arunachali folk song titled Endo Kado, which beautifully captures the bittersweet journey of young birds finding solace in their true homes until the day they must spread their wings and take flight, embracing independence. It's a metaphor for girls who similarly, though nurtured within the warmth of their family homes, must eventually leave the nest to forge their own paths. This song also speaks of timeless wisdom, echoing the urgency of building our own foundations. For time waits for none, and those who delay will be left behind. It is a powerful reminder to seize the moment and build our own home before it's too late. Lastly, I, on behalf of Arunachal Forester batch, would like to wish the passing out Range Forest Officer batch a bright and successful future ahead. Now I'll request the Arunachal female trainees to come out for a performance. Thank you.
time.